Welcome to today's ultimate Heiken Ashi trading guide. If you want to learn one of the most efficient candlestick approaches for identifying high probability trade settings, you have come to the correct place. What are Heiken Ashi candles? The phrase Heiken Ashi translates to average bar, and this strategy uses the concept of averaging to smooth out price activity, allowing for a better grasp of market trends. For Heiken Ashi candles, the close is calculated by averaging the current candle's open, high, low, and closing prices and dividing the result by 4. The open of a Heiken Ashi candle is placed at the middle of the previous candle's body. By utilizing these averaging approaches, Heiken Ashi candles provide a more refined perspective of price action. Let us look at an example. This chart displays regular candlesticks that appear chaotic, with red and green candles dispersed throughout. Now look at the same chart with Heiken Ashi candles. Here, the price activity is considerably clearer. During upward movements, the chart typically shows green candles, and during negative trends, red candles are more common. This is the main benefit of using Heiken Ashi candles. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel Trader Yoda so you don't miss out on any of our new stuff. How to read Heiken Ashi candles. Reading Heiken Ashi charts is simple. There are 3 main sorts of candles on these charts. A bullish Heiken Ashi candle is green with a green body and an upper wick, but no lower wick or a very little one. These candles suggest that the price is going higher. Next, we have the bearish candle. A bearish Heiken Ashi candle has a red body and a lower wick, but no higher wick or only a small one. These candles indicate a downtrend. Finally, we have doji candles, which might be green or red. Doji candles feature a small body with huge wicks on both sides, and the upper and lower wicks are roughly equal in size. This suggests that the current trend is losing strength, and there is a pause in price movements. Using these 3 types of candles, we identified 5 significant indications with Heiken Ashi candles. Number 1. Strong uptrend. In a strong uptrend, you will notice a sequence of bullish green candles with no lower wick. Each succeeding candle's body becomes larger, showing that the uptrend is gaining traction. This is an ideal opportunity to consider entering buy trades. Number 2. Weak uptrend. As the uptrend weakens, the bodies of the green candles begin to diminish with each new candle. Sometimes lower wicks appear. This signals that the uptrend is losing momentum and may shortly pause or reverse. During such times, traders might consider exiting their buy trades. Number 3. Sideways trend. Following a pattern, you may see a sequence of doji candles. While a single doji candle may signify a lack of momentum, a succession of doji candles suggests that the price is going laterally, indicating a period of consolidation. Number 4. Strong downtrend. Bearish red candles with no upper wick indicate a significant downtrend. The bodies of these candles become larger, indicating that the decline is gaining strength. This provides a favorable time to enter sell transactions or trade. Number 5. Weak downtrend. When a downtrend weakens, we see a succession of red candles with the upper wick appearing and the candle bodies shrinking. This signals that the downtrend is losing momentum, and it is possible that the trend will stall or reverse. Now, let's look at some examples of how these signals are combined with other price action aspects to generate trading ideas. Trade example 1. On this chart, the price reversed from a specific area that we have designated as a support level. When the price reaches this level again, we expect it to reverse and move upward. When the price returns to its support level, we pay great attention to the candles. In this down move, initially we see a row of red candles with no upper wicks, but the candle bodies are shrinking rather than growing. This shows the down move was not strong at all. Then we used a red candle with a small top wick. It also indicates that downtrends do not have any momentum. A doji candle appears with enormous upper and lower wicks. The support level is holding up well, and there is a good chance of an up move. Finally, we see a solid bullish green candle with a large body and no lower wick. This is a strong indication that the price would rise from this point forward, So a buy trade might be made from this candle. We can put the stop loss below the candle and the objective at the following resistance level. For a sell trade, the price had previously reversed down from a specific area, which we designated as a resistance level. When the price reaches this barrier, we expect it to reverse lower once more. We see that the candle bodies begin to shrink, and while there are no lower wicks, this decrease in body size signals a lack of momentum. Then a doji candle with upper and lower wicks appears, indicating a loss of momentum. Finally, a red candle with a big body and no top wick signals that the resistance level is effective and the price will most likely turn downward. We can initiate a sell trade at the close of this red candle with the stop loss above the candle and targeting the support area. In a breakout trading scenario, the price had previously reversed upwards around a specific area that we designated as support. When the price returns to this support level, we expect it to find support and climb higher. However, we see that the price is beginning to form little doji candles, indicating consolidation and a lower possibility of the support holding. This means that we may see a violation in support. Finally, the price breaks below the support with two enormous red candles, indicating a major breakout and significant downward movement. As a result, we can enter a sell trade at this position, keeping our stop loss above the candles and aiming for the next support level. An example of a trade using moving average. We use a 20-period moving average on the charts. The price is trading above the upward sloping moving average, signaling an uptrend. Historically, the moving average has offered support during pullbacks. This time, as the price returns to the moving average, we expect it to find support again. Furthermore, we have a support level that extends from a prior high, resulting in a convergence with the moving average. In this area, we see two doji candles, indicating that the downward momentum is extremely weak and that the price is likely to find support. Two green candles support our prediction, indicating a favorable trade opportunity. We enter a buy trade when these green candles burn out. For this trade, we can place the stop loss below the candles or moving averages. Since there is no single resistance level to target, we aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. This is how to efficiently include Heikin Ashi candles into your trading technique. The secret to successful trading is to constantly look for several confluences to discover high probability bets. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, Trader Yodha, so we can continue to provide you with high quality content. See you soon.